Hello everyone, I'm bringing another market strategy. Well, it can be OTC or it can be financial market. Well, it's financial markets paired, it's paying very well. I'm going to trade the financial markets. If I'm not going to trade OTC markets, only consists of an indicator, we're going to start with that configuration. Let's go to the time frame, okay? We're gonna use 30 seconds and rise Nash candle. We are going to use 1 minute onward expiration time. I'm going to use an amount of $53. I'm going to try make 3 or 4 trades, depending on the market opportunity, to see what the position will be to that. What this indicator is going to consist of? Well, the indicators has already been used by right here, Parabolic SAR, 0075 and 02. The size is up to you if you want to change the color or the pixel. That's good, okay? I'll put this on, you can see that. The idea is that always going to trade with the trend and wait for the last 3 points, 2 or 3 points. To enter on an upside or downside, you can see an indicator trend, and the stop loss will also give it to me. As his indicator to me, where the exhaustion, okay, I enter of course, trend in favor of the trend with 1 or 2 or 3 points. Well, for that right now we got 3 points, and we got the downtrend on that. Okay, so the entry, it's against the trend. Okay, we got an uptrend that is getting a revert. So we see very strong pullback. That is, the candle is with bottle on right and Nash that are giving me a downtrend. And that will be the way to find the counter trend, the point where the trend is starting to show strength, right? But look here, it starts to fall. Okay. We need to pay attention on that. Not gonna, of course. The answer is very good. Look at the 1 point, 3 points, and that scan does looking bearish here, unlike this one. Okay. But anyway, you guys keep watching, pretty like little indicator works. Work with that configuration. Let's see, that's one. I heard a talk on that. Oh my goodness. Oh, woo, we got this, man. $101. Oh my goodness, that was so close. In 30 seconds, guys, we see that does. It falls here in the neckline, come back. Oh my goodness. Maybe it's too low, maybe, but anyway, I see a big downward movement, and that's what considered the entry to downward. Remember that it can complete to deteriorate at the last minute. Well, sorry for that, last second, not miss. I have the first entry, let's look for a second one with all in again, 101, okay? So let's... So it gives me an traded point. Okay, enter the upside on say that JPY, guys. That's a different one. It did not pass off this point, and we have a gap here at the top. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. First thing, the first target will be that filter pass to the maximum. It doesn't pass and come back. Then I will lose, but since there is the gap, the price may continue to rise. Let's see, I entered on point before. We need to pay attention. The price different on that. Looks at the entry plot almost the same, which means the entry would be active here. Let's wait, see how the positions plays out, okay? Let's wait for that. And look at this, guys. Another one. Almost a heart attack again in one position, but I heard bad. Now let's wait 30 seconds to see what has happened with that. If I had an entry were, well, the third point was enabled. Check here the change the classic candle to that. So then you find this one. Okay. That's gonna revert. Look at that. How that's different between the candles, guys. The Hurricane Ash and the normal candle. Okay, we need to pay attention to that. Right there. Would have lost it, well, the price reached the maximum, but look, we can avoid that. It's theirs, I mean, look, I lose it, but goes, Back to the end point. I think I look at the position of financial markets. Of course, I'm trading in afternoon. It could also affect you that the massive volume and entry point is crucial to determining a position. Well, winning the position when you see the very good one. Okay, very strong candle. Sometimes you don't have to wait 3 points, 2 points, 4 points, and that will go long. So well, I have another position. Okay, I'm going to use half into this in case I lose because I don't have money for that. So let's go with that, guys. Let's see how this go. Okay, we got no GBP CAD. We got some 1 point. 4 seconds for that, more or less. And the trend is down. It's always good to try on against the trends. I always watch with the recognized candles. I enter the upside position based on the fact that candles was strong to the downside was against the trend. If I lose it, well, I believe in the middle. But it's okay. That's good to maybe I missed the entry. I should have entered right here. 9 seconds, man. Oh my goodness. I mean the entry already, guys, which was here, more or less. Come on, and very well. Oh my goodness. We got a loss on this, guys. That was very, very bad. Well, for the trade, I'm going to look for one less entry, guys. That was a clear example. Okay, sometimes it's not this idea, tell me to go because there are 3 or 4 points on the candles. I also have to go for it, but I'm against the trade. It's more complicated to win than that. Less entry or the rise in the caps for that. We see that is make a floor that is very similar to the previous one. I think that one, the second one is 1. I have to make 4 here. 2, 3 points are starting to form. Okay, the movement here is continuing the upper right lot strength, and I will wait for a second for that. 2 or 3 points, guys.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
I could enter the position. Yeah, why? Because if I wait again, I could go very high. Okay, and look at that. That's what we're expecting right now. And this outside the trend, I would discard this position or header wouldn't to discard it, but the risk would be very high because it could rise very quickly or be very high in consolidation zone. The price could fall sharply and I would lose it in the end and lose again. Remember that's the entry or 1 minute they are fast. The financial market is open and give me this on that, okay? And good another win, guys. The last position I lost 1, but I got 3 wins. The amount of 9 on that. When it got in the Massimo 106.5, okay, 53 to 106.5. I analyze it, look at many pairs, and make a decision based on trends. If again it's like this one, I enter on the rise. I think so, but it's against the trend, so I could lose it. Thanks, good to see you guys. If you like this video, leave your comments, like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe, and stay tuned on other videos. And happy to improve a binary option trades. That's all for videos. Good luck. See you on the channels, guys, of session, which are held every day in the morning and evening. Have a great day and see you in the next video, guys. If I have any comments, so right now, I wish good profits, good operations. Have a good one. See you guys. Bye-bye.